Hey, hello guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you all are doing good. I was at ashram which is called as Art of Living. Today is Sunday and this ashram is located at the outskirts of Bengaluru. It's very beautiful guys. When I came here it was like so peaceful and so beautiful. It was a crazy location. I felt like flying my drone here. No doubt I'll be flying, but it's super fantastic guys, and this is why I thought of making a video here. Now I'll come to the topic exactly. So as you guys know that I had DJI MINI 3 Pro and it had a fogging issue. Let me quickly show you my drone. It's here and we had a fogging issue, and if you guys have watched my previous videos, here you can see that I have removed the front element, and after that I am using the UV filter to protect my lens. So I have ordered a new CPL filter for my drone which is super fantastic guys. Just let me show you how it looks and what is present in the box. Let me keep my drone bag in the bag. So here is the box that I have received from Amazon. I have purchased it for 1750 rupees. I'll mention the link in the description. So let's see what is present in the box. So let's unbox it now quickly. So it comes in a decent package guys. It has a normal one cloth fabric which is used to clean the lens, and we also have one box here. This comes from Sunny Life, and let me open it and show it to you how it looks. See guys how it looks. This looks super awesome with this golden ring. So I thought of putting this lens on my DJI MINI 3 Pro, and I was trying to take a footages with CPL filter. Let's see how the footage turn out when we put this filter on our DJI MINI 3 Pro. So guys, now let's take off our drone. So here, whenever we change any filters, we have to rotate this particular filter in anti-clockwise to take it off. So here is the UV filter that we had so far on our DJI MINI 3 Pro. So I'll just put this Sunny Life filter on my DJI MINI 3 Pro. This looks superb to me guys, and it also has a ring. Yeah, I wanted to mention it to you. This has a ring to increase and decrease the intensity of the CPL. So CPL filter actually enhances the footage, and also it just reduces the reflection of water and glass and all other things in our video. So I'll just put it on to my DJI MINI 3. So here we have to just place it like this and rotate it in a clockwise. Here we go guys, it's all set up on our DJI MINI 3 Pro, and you can see how awesome it looks. If we remove this, it should be looking great. Hope so it's looking great for you guys. For me, I at least loved the look of my DJI MINI 3 Pro after fitting this particular lens. Now let's take off our drone and I'll show you guys how this ashram looks with this CPL filter on DJI MINI 3 Pro. So you can do the zoom and take a look of ashram how it looks. So guys, I think the view is not visible from this place. I had to come out to shoot this video, but I'm going to add a video which I took from my phone, and you will be able to see how it looks. And you should plan to visit this particular ashram if you are around Bangalore guys. This is super fantastic. Now let's hit the drone cinematic guys.
अविध्यानामन्तस्तिमिरा मिहिरद्वीपनगिरे जडनं चैतन्यस्तवकं करन्दश्रुतिजरे दरिद्राना चिन्तामणि गुणनिका जन्मजलधौ निमग्नानं धंष्ट्रा मुररिपुवराहस्य भवति आत्मा रामानन्दरमण अच्युत केशव हरिनारायण आत्मा रामानन्दरमण अच्युत केशव हरिनारायण आत्मा रामानन्दरमण अच्युत केशव हरिनारायण।